Now let us discuss about third main. Diagnose AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O using a similarity criterion for two triangles. Show that OA by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. Okay. A figure is not given, so we have to draw it. Okay. We have to draw a trapezium. Okay. A B, C, D. ABCD is a trapezium and AC and BD are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay. AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay. Mark it. Mention O for this. Okay. See, AC and BD are the diagonals intersect at point O. Okay. Now let us discuss about this. ABCD is a trapezium. Diagonals are intersect at point O. Okay. In triangle DOC and BOA. Solution. In triangle DOC and triangle BOA. Triangle BOA. See, angle CDO is equal to angle ABO. CDO is equal to angle ABO. Or you can make it separate these two triangles like this. This is I taken DOC now, take it here DOC, and another triangle what I taken, that is I taken BOA, so you have to take here BOA. Look at here, CDO is equal to ABO, CDO is equal to ABO, BOA, ABO. Okay, because alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles as AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Okay, you got Z shape or yes. Okay, angle DCO. See here, angle DCO is equal to angle BAO. Angle BAO. This is also same. Alternate angles, alternate interior angles as AB is parallel to CD, same. Okay. Angle DOC is equal to angle BOA because vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle DOC is equal to angle BOA. Vertically opposite angles VOA. Vertically opposite angles we have to write. Therefore, triangle DOC is similar to triangle BOA because of angle similarity criteria. Angle similarity criteria. Angle similarity criteria. Therefore, DO by BO is equal to, we can write OC by OA. OC by OA. Look at here. We can change the places. See, in the place of DO, write OA. In the place of OA, take DO. In the place of OC, take BO. And in the place of BO, you can take OC. Okay? OA by OC is equal to BO by DO. Okay, hence proved. Hence proved. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, now let us discuss about fourth main. In given figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. Is it? Okay, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. We need to prove that. Is it? Solution as given. In triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, see, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ because angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If angle 1 is equal to angle 2, these two sides must be equal. Then it will become an isosceles triangle. Is it? Because angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay? Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Take it as equation 1. Take it as equation 1. Given, what he has given here? QR by QS. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. QT by PR. In the place of PR, take PQ. Okay? QR by QS is equal to QT by, in the place of PR, take PQ. Okay? Using 1. Using 1 we obtain. Using 1 we obtain. Is it? Okay? And also take it as equation 2. Equation 2. Okay? In triangle PQS and triangle TQR. In triangle PQS and triangle TQR. Okay? So QR by QS is equal to, that is QT by PQ. PQ or you can write QP. Okay? We have to see by using equation 2. Using equation 2. Using equation 2. See, by using equation 2, for this QR by QS and QT by QP, and for this having the same angle, that is angle Q is equal to angle Q. Angle Q is equal to angle Q. Therefore, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay, this is side angle side similarity criteria. By side angle side similarity criteria. Hence proof. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, here we have one question, that is fifth main. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Figure is not given here, we have to draw. Okay, triangle PQR I will draw. Okay, triangle PQR. Okay, S and T are points on sides PR and QR. S on PR. Okay, and T on QR. T on QR. T on QR. Okay, and also given here, what he has given here, angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Correct? Mark the angles. Mark the angle. See, in a triangle RPQ and RST. Solution or proof. Okay? In triangle RPQ and triangle RST, RPQ and RST, angle RTS is equal to angle RPQ, correct? Angle RTS is equal to angle QP. Yes, QPS also we can write, no problem, is it? Because he has given here. Okay, QP, yes, because angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Therefore, angle RTS is equal to angle QPS. Okay, you can mention angle QPS. I will write here given. Okay, now QPS also you can write QPR also, no problem. RPQ also you can write. Okay, therefore, see, for this angle, for having the same, that is angle R is common angle, is it right? Angle R, see, RTS or RST, RPQ, for these two similar triangles, having the same common angle, that is R. Angle R is equal to angle R. In bracket I will write common angle. Common angle. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by angle similarity criterion, hence proved. That is only we need to show that this is it. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by angle similarity criterion. Okay, hence proved. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, here we have 6 main question. In given figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, we need to show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, solution. It is given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC by CB CD. Corresponding part of congruent triangles. Take it as equation 1. Okay, and ED is equal to AE, and ED is equal to AE. This is also by corresponding part of congruent triangles. Take it as equation 2. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, triangle ADE and triangle ABC, okay, AD by PD or AD by AB, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC. Okay. Dividing equation. Here, dividing equations 2 by 1. Equations 2 by 1. Therefore, angle A is equal to C for these both triangles having the same angle, same common angle, that is angle A. angle A is equal to angle A, common angle, common angle. Okay, therefore triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by side angle side similarity criterion. Is similar to triangle ABC by SAS side angle side similarity criterion. Hence proof. This is the solution. Okay, here I am given a dividing equation 2 by 1. We can see AD by AB, okay, and AE by AC. Dividing equations 2 by 1. Okay, now let us discuss about a seventh main question. In figure, altitudes AD and CE, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that we need to show that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Second one also, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. And third one, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. And fourth one, you need to prove that angle, that is triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Okay, let us see first one, that is triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. We need to prove this. Okay, solution. First one, see, angle AEP is equal to angle CDP. AEP is equal to here, if here 90 degree, here also 90 degree, here also 90 degree. Is it right? Therefore CDP is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is each 90 degree. Okay, angle APE is equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. Angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Okay, vertically opposite angles are equal. Hence, by using angle similarity, angle similarity criterion, therefore triangle, that is AEP is similar to triangle CDP. AEP is similar to triangle CDP. First one we proved. Okay, proved. Next, second one. Okay, second one, we need to prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Okay, look at those figures. ABD, even ADB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, CBE or BEC or CEB, CEB is equal to also 90 degree. Is it right? Angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, each 90 degree. Okay, angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. Angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. This is common angle. Which is the common angle? Angle B is a common. Okay. Hence by using angle similarity criterion, therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Okay. Now third one. Okay, now we need to prove that is third one. Triangle AEB is similar to triangle ADB. Okay, AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Let us see. Okay, look at this figure. AEP, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Okay, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, see here, AEP is equal to 90 degree, ADB is equal to 90 degree, and or you can take a DAB not ADB only. Okay, angle AEP is equal to angle ADB. See, each angle measured as 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay. Angle, see here, which is a common angle here? Angle PAE, angle BAD. Okay. Or DAB. Common angle. Angle A is the common. Angle PAE is equal to angle DAB. Common angle. Okay, hence by using similarity angle similarity criterion, therefore triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Okay, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. AEP similar to triangle ADB. Proved. Okay. Now fourth one what will be there? Let us see. Okay. Now we need to prove that fourth question, that is triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Okay. PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Okay. In triangle PDC and triangle BEC, see here, angle PDC is equal to 90 degree, angle BEC is equal to also 90 degree. Angle PDC is equal to angle BEC. Okay, each 90 degree. Okay, angle PCD is equal to angle BCE. Angle C is the common. Okay, angle PCD is equal to angle BCE, common angle. Hence by using angle similarity criterion, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Therefore triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Okay, proved. We proved total of many 4, isn't it?